So, good morning guys. Today is January 1, 2026. So, it's already 2026. So, today I want to show you guys our handa kagabi. Ito na lang yung mga natira kasi yung iba is kinain na. So, konti-konti na lang. So, tignan nyo guys. Ayun siya yung pizza, chicken, puto, lumpia, cheese, spring roll, butas. Ito is spaghetti. Ito pizza din. Ayun.